Welcome to Trains with Jake. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a BNSF SD40-2. Let's begin. So here's the front of the box. It's the Heritage 1 paint scheme on the BNSF on the 40-2. So when you open up the box, this is what you see. Try to ignore the glare. Okay, we're back. Sorry, I was having issues with the glare, so I went and fixed it. I went ahead and moved the boxes out of the way and took it out of the box. Oops. Thank you for your patience. Take these out so we get a good look at it. So here's the look from the left side. Forget my hand. Love the numbering right here on top in the yellow, along with the class lights. And this one has the orange walkways. Maybe they're red. Here's the angle from the engineer side. With this being a Heritage one, it does have the original BNSF logo. I like this logo far better than the swoosh, in my opinion. Here's a view from the top. And the butt underneath it. I'm trying to support the train in the exact same time. I appreciate your patience. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Comment. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to open, if you want me to do a whole inventory. Let me know. Enjoy the rest of your day.